Hey friends, my name is Chickpea and you are watching my YouTube channel Quick Tasty Bites. So today we are going to see how to make easy and simple dahi curry recipe. Now take a mixer jar and add the curd in it. Now add 4 tablespoons of gram flour into a paste. Once the paste is brown, keep it aside. Now take a utensil, add little oil in it and let the oil get heated. Once the oil is heated, add the curry leaves in it. One pinch of mustard seed, 1 teaspoon cumin seed. Now add 1 teaspoon urad ka dal. One teaspoon ginger garlic paste. 4 green chilies. Now saute it. Half teaspoon turmeric powder. Saute it nicely. Now add the grind paste in it and mix it. Mix it well until it boils. Now add little water in it and mix it well. Now add little salt as required and mix it nicely. Once the curry is boiled, garnish the curry with some coriander leaves. Turn off the gas.